Love them or hate them, the Tate brothers, Andrew and Tristan, have become global icons of wealth, power, and controversy. But behind the headlines and the hype, there's a wealth code they've cracked, one that turned them from broke kickboxers into multimillionaires with international empires. In this video, we break down exactly how they did it and what you can learn to build your own financial freedom. No politics, no drama, just money, strategy, and hustle. Let's unlock the Tate brothers' wealth code. Chapter 1. Humble Beginnings. Andrew and Tristan didn't grow up rich. In fact, they often talk about how money was tight growing up in Luton, England. Their father, Emery Tate, was a chess grandmaster. But financial security? That wasn't part of the equation. Andrew started making money through kickboxing. He became a world champion, but even then, he was only making a few £1,000s per fight. He said it himself. Kickboxing didn't make him rich, but it gave him discipline and mental toughness, skills that would fuel everything that came next. Chapter 2. The First Business Moves. The Tate brothers' first real money came from an unusual business, a webcam studio. They've admitted it publicly. At one point, they were managing dozens of models online and making over $500,000 a month. Controversial? Sure. Profitable? Absolutely. But here's what mattered. They understood how to scale a digital business and leverage platforms that allowed them to earn while they slept. From there, they launched Hustlers University, a subscription-based online academy teaching young men about making money online. It exploded in popularity thanks to their viral presence on social media. Chapter 3. Going viral on purpose. The Tates didn't become famous by accident. They engineered virality. Andrew said in interviews that he encouraged fans and affiliates to repost his videos, hundreds of thousands of them. And that turned into a storm of visibility on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, you name it. He didn't need a record label or a movie deal. He used controversy plus confidence plus constant content equals attention. And in today's digital economy, attention equals currency. Chapter 4. Multiple streams of income. By the time the Tate name went global, the brothers had already diversified their money. Here's what their empire looked like at its peak. Hustlers University, recurring subscription revenue. Real estate investments in Eastern Europe, supercar rentals and exotic cars, crypto holdings, affiliate programs where they paid users to bring in more users, online courses and consulting. At one point, Hustlers University had over 100,000 active members, bringing in an estimated $5 million per month. Chapter 5. How they think. If you strip away the flash and controversy, the Tate brothers push a mindset centered around extreme ownership, discipline over emotions, delayed gratification, independence from the system. Whether you agree with their views or not, the takeaway here is powerful. They believe in being completely self-reliant, and that belief fuels their actions. Chapter 6. What you can learn. So what can you learn from the Tate brothers' wealth code without copying their style or getting caught in controversy? 1. Build digital assets. Start something online. Content, a brand, or a business that scales. 2. Master attention. Even a small audience can become income if you serve them with value. 3. Own systems, not jobs. Invest your time in things that make money without you clocking in. 4. Stay hungry. The Tates never settled. Always reinvest. Always level up. 5. Stay disciplined. Wake up early. Focus on your goals. Cut out distractions. Build momentum. The Tate brothers didn't get rich by luck. They understood the modern game of money. How to build, how to scale, and how to multiply. Now it's your turn. You don't need millions to get started. You need a plan, discipline, and the will to outwork everyone else. Subscribe to the Wealth Code for more deep dives into how today's millionaires and billionaires are making it big and how you can join them. Your wealth journey starts now.